Hi everybody, this is Tshepiso Tubego. I'm 21 years of old. I want to act because I think I have the talent and I want to go to New York to expose that talent. I want to be associated with million producing companies like Warner Brothers. I want to be associated with high-class actors and actresses like Ashton Kutcher, Jennifer, and others. So please, people, you can do that for me by voting for me. This is me acting the angry wife who is angry at her husband who came late on their anniversary day. Apparently, the husband came late for a reason. Watch for this good reason. Oh, Jerry, seriously, this time? Huh? And you think I'm allowed to take that? What do you think of me, huh? What do you think of me? Where the hell have you been, huh? I took all the time to prepare all this wonderful meal and you... Is this all you can do to me on our anniversary day? Oh, God. Oh, honey. Is this for me? Is this why you came home this late? I'm really, really sorry, honey. I love you too. I love you.